The Inequality Studies Research Center out at UC Berkeley is a very high-end, well-funded research institute that assembles inequality statistics, so income and wealth distributions for countries around the world. The one complication of this is they're a very left-leaning and ideologically skewed institute in the sense that the main directors of it have pronounced political stakes in advocating for wealth taxation. The current debate around tax data and inequality is whether and to what degree inequality is rising. And there's a claimed link between high income tax rates and the level of income distribution in society. So if you have bad data that you're using to evaluate the nature of this claimed link, you may end up making tax policy based off of erroneous or skewed or even tilted and manipulated statistics. Unfortunately, it's not scrutinized very much because they were able to get credulous repetition from reporters. So the New York Times and Washington Post picked up these statistics and ran with them before they had even been vetted in academic journals or any of the peer review process that this normally goes through. I think it's important to keep an eye on the long-term effects of maintaining rigorous and scholarly scrutiny of data. Really, as academics and as social scientists, we're trying to study long-term trends and do so for the purpose of pursuing knowledge itself, not for advancing political candidates.